Wait lang. Hi guys! Nasa Jollibee ako. Jollibee! Mamaya magpapapicture ako kay Jollibee. Yes guys! Hindi ka matatakot kay Jollibee? Sabi mo muna. Hi guys!
Kaya naging Iya yung pangalan niya dahil hindi mabigkas ni Akira yung Mika. Kaya naging Iya. But little did we know, magiging Iyakin pala yung nickname niya. Kasi she's very Iyakin. Nung baby hanggang lumaki na. But her turning now a lady.
To have shared in your journey. Your kindness, intelligence, and compassion inspire us. May these qualities continue to shine brightly as you embark on this.
Okay, dyan na lang po tayo lumigas. Okay, dahil dyan, si Best Friend Jollibee meron dalawang surprise para sa ating birthday celebrant. Okay, ano kaya ang first surprise si Best Friend Jollibee? One! Okay, dapat daw po kailangan lahat magbibilang. Okay, mukhang mabilis magtapos si Best Friend Jollibee. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! 1!